Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool formula. We are working with unit conversions with a problem related to TEKS 4.8c, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got three different trails, and we need to find the total meters that all three trails cover. And then we've got what would be a drop-down menu if this were on the STAR test. And so you would choose one of these four answers. We can almost treat it like a drag and drop if we need to. So total meters, all three trails. Well, let's just go ahead and add these up. I've got 1,748, 2,305, and then 572. When I'm adding them, I'm not going to place the comma in there. I don't want to think the comma is a 1 that I carried. So 8 and 2 make 10. Add the 5 is 15. 1 and 4 make 5. Add the 7 is 12. 7 and 3 make 10. Add the 6 extra is 16. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I've got 4,625. Now, what I've been adding has been meters. So let's put our units on here. So we are now at a total of 4,625 meters, which is not an answer choice. But take a look at the units here. We've got kilometers and we've got meters. All right, so there is a unit conversion that we are going to need here. And so we can keep in mind, and if you were to look on your formula chart, if this were the STAR test, you would see among everything, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. And it's this prefix kilo. And if we spell it out, it's like this, kilometer. This kilo means 1,000. So kilogram, kiloliter, kilometer means 1,000 grams, meters, or liters, whatever. So every time you get 1,000 meters, it equals 1 kilometer. So we're going to use that unit conversion here. Because, take a look at this, 4,625 meters, definitely greater than 1,000 meters. So we're going to take some of these meters and we're going to repurpose it and we're going to reimagine it as kilometers. There's a few different ways you can do this, and if you see straight to the answer, that's fine. But let's kind of do it the slow way. What I want to do is I want to take out 1,000 meters at a time. So I'm going to take out 1,000 meters, and I'm going to see what's left. 3,625 meters. All I'm doing is renaming the thousands place from 4 down to 3. You can't just take away that 1,000 meters. I'm going to take that 1,000 meters and I'm going to call it 1 kilometer. So now I have almost like a mixed number, 1 kilometer and then 3,625 meters. All right, let's do it again. All right, so I've got another 1,000 gone. That's going to be 2,625, but that extra 1,000 is not just gone, it's converted into another meter. So I need to add it to the one that I already had. So I already had 1 meter, 1 kilometer taken out. Now I have another one. So now I've got 2 kilometers, 2,625 meters. Let's take another one out. This is going to equal 1 kilometer. And I'm only going to have 1,625 meters left. I'm going to add that other kilometer that I just took out. That's going to be 3 kilometers. I'm going to keep going until I can't go anymore. And this last one is going to be our final 1,000 meters that we can take out. We're going to rename it because there's only 625 meters left. That's not 1,000. So I'm going to do that right there. 4 kilometers, 625 meters. So we see our answers here. I've got 4 kilometers, 625 meters, which we originally had this 4, 625, right? And so we could have seen that division right there. It works with kilometers and meters. And so that's going to be our answer.